Hi everybody, it's Mrs. B from the New City Library. I'm back again with a nature walk, and I was lucky enough to see a red fox in my neighborhood the other day, so I took a little film of the fox that I thought you might enjoy seeing. Foxes live all over Rockland County, red foxes. They're about the size of a small dog. Their homes are called dens, like a bear den, but it's a fox den. And their babies are called kits. So I hope you enjoy watching this film as much as I enjoyed seeing this fox in my neighborhood. See you next time.